Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Oil magnate engineer Tein Jackrich Jr. has promised to transform Nigeria from a consumer nation into a global producer of goods and services. Engineer Tein Jackrich made the pledge recently in Abuja during his official declaration to contest the 2023 presidential election on the platform of the All Progressives Congress, APC.
Founder of Belema Oil Producing Limited, Engineer Tein Jackrich, recently declared his intention to contest the 2023 presidential election in Nigeria. During his declaration in Abuja, the oil magnate said his decision to take a shot at the presidency was born out of a burning desire to fix Nigeria. Engineer Jackrich assures Nigerians that as their next president, he will transform their country from a consumer economy into a global production hub.
With Jackrich's presidency, we're going to move into large-scale productivity where we begin to produce what we consume and consume what we produce and produce more and trade more and save more and plan for the future. Research and development will be the center stage of my presidency. My country, Nigeria, will be respected again in the Committee of Nations. My presidency will strengthen our currency. We will create jobs for you, the youth, because I belong to that constituency.
Jackrich, who is running on the platform of Nigeria's ruling party, the All Progressives Congress, says his presidency will pay great attention to technology acquisition and entrepreneurial development as a strategy to reduce unemployment and poverty in the country.
We will ensure that corporates are brought into what I call the investment and technology-based ecosystem where entrepreneurship will be developed, the educational system will create and enable us so we can train skills, vocational training centers, learning materials in our local languages, so that we don't spend time in teaching the conventional universal languages that takes a lot of time in our understanding of the key issues that we need to address.
Unlike many others aspiring to be president in 2023, Jackrich has not held any known political office before this time. However, he brings his wealth of experience in the corporate world to bear in governance. According to supporters of the oil magnates, Nigeria needs visionary leadership which he personifies to sufficiently address the many challenges confronting the nation.
He has not been in government. He is self-made. He understands what it means to run an economy.
When you look at what he has done as a private sector man, I want to assure you that if he applies that in Nigeria, it is going to be an Eldorado.
Prior to this time, Engineer Tein Jackrich, a major employer of labor and philanthropists, had in conjunction with indigenous oil giant Belema Oil Producing Nigeria Limited, embarked on several water and road construction projects in both northern Nigeria and the Niger Delta. His intervention nationwide has equally covered areas such as health and education. Director General of the Tein Jackrich Campaign Organization, Issa Yuguda, is convinced that Nigeria is about to be blessed with a president who truly cares about the people.
I know of philanthropists, but he's a philanthropist with a difference. He has all kind of philanthropic interventions across the length and breadth of this country. For goodness sake, Nigerians, what else do you want? He's the only person that I've seen with a template on how to turn around the economy.
In a bid to actualize his presidential ambition come 2023, Engineer Tein Jackrich and his team have since commenced mobilization of delegates ahead of the APC presidential primary election.
Inside the Niger Delta,